Main Hurstbridge Road, Diamond Creek. This is a Type 3 e-bells. And also, this is a shout out to my best friend. His name is Christian M, but on YouTube, his name is Huggy Christian Wuggy Fan. So thank you, Christian, for telling me to do this one. Now we wait for the train. Okay, level crossing just started. Oh wow, look at those pedestrian gates. They look better than the other ones. Yeah, I hear the train coming. Okay. Cool bells, right?
Really cool.
These bells actually sound very cool. Oh no, it's my enemy. The X-Trapless 100 train. I see the crossbuck and the lights and the bell from the shadow in the train. Okay, level crossing's gone up. Time to go to the other side. These pedestrian gates are better than the other ones. What I feel like. Yeah, it's plastic. It's made of plastic. Looks cool. Okay, I'm recording from this side now. Oh, that's a nice sun. Anyways, let's wait for the train again. Okay, level crossing just started now. Almost lost my time. Lucky I didn't. Okay. Okay. Wonder where the train's coming from anyways. There's a train. I haven't seen it for a while. Oh, it's coming from there. From what do you call it? From Diamond Creek Station. Here comes my enemy. Yep. The X-Trapless 100 train. Damn, it's making squeaky sounds. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's still doing it. Okay, level crossing's gone up. Wait, the video hasn't ended yet. I want to talk to you about some stuff. Alright, so tomorrow I'm going to my best friend's house. His name is Christian M, which I mentioned before. His name on YouTube is Huggy Christian Wuggy Fan. Me and him are doing a collab on our YouTube channels. So stay tuned for that tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next level crossing and train video. Bye.